Hello friends, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome to Punjabi Charm YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Friends, so far we have learned Mukta, Kanna and Sihari words in Gurmukhi. In this video we will learn Bihari sounds word. Before learning the words, let's revise what we have learned in the first video. In the first video we had learned Bihari has a symbol like this, and Bihari is a sound of E as in C or B. We learned this Punjabi word Veer, which means brother. Let's learn more Bihari words. The first word here we will learn is Veer. Veer. Veer means brother. And to read this word, we can say Vavvenu Bihari V, Rara Mukta Ra, Veer. Veer. You can repeat after me. Veer. Let's check out next word. The next word is Teer. Teer. Teer means arrow. And to read this word, we can say Tattenu Bihari Ti, Rara Mukta Ra, Teer. Teer. You can repeat after me. Teer. Let's check out next word. The next word is Kheer. Kheer. Kheer means rice pudding. And to read this word, we can say Khakkenu Bihari Ki, Rara Mukta Ra, Kheer. Kheer. You can repeat after me. Kheer. Let's check out next word. The next word is Pari. Pari. Pari means angel. And to read this word, we can say Pappenu Mukta Pa, Rarenu Bihari Ri, Pari. Pari. You can repeat after me. Pari. Let's check out next word. The next word is Kadi. Kadi. Kadi means watch. And to read this word, we can say Kaggenu Mukta Ka, Radenu Bihari Ri, Kadi. Kadi. You can repeat after me. Kadi. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Siti. Siti. Siti means whistle. And to read this word, we can say Sassenu Bihari Si, Tankenu Bihari Ti, Siti. Siti. You can repeat after me. Siti. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Kidi. Kidi. Kidi means ant. And to read this word, we can say Kakkenu Bihari Ki, Radenu Bihari Ri, Kidi. Kidi. You can repeat after me. Kidi. Let's check out next word. The next word is Chini. Chini. Chini means sugar. And to read this word, we can say Chachenu Bihari Chi, Nannenu Bihari Ni, Chini. Chini. You can repeat after me. Chini. Let's check out next word. The next word is Hathi. Hathi. Hathi means elephant. And to read this word, we can say Hahenu Kanna Ha, Thathenu Bihari Thi, Hathi. Hathi. You can repeat after me. Hathi. Let's check out next word. Next word is Pari. Pari. Pari means heavy. And to read this word, we can say Pabbenu Kanna Pa, Rarenu Bihari Ri, Pari. Pari. You can repeat after me. Pari. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Pani. Pani. Pani means water. And to read this word, we can say Pappenu Kanna Pa, Ranenu Bihari Ni, Pani. Pani. You can repeat after me. Pani. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Hira. Hira. Hira means diamond. And to read this word, we can say Hahenu Bihari Hi, Rarenu Kannara, Hira. Hira. You can repeat after me. Hira. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Kheera. Kheera. Kheera means cucumber. And to read this word, we can say Khakkenu Bihari Ki, Rarenu Kannara, Kheera. Kheera. You can repeat after me. Kheera. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Cheeta. Cheeta. Cheeta means cheetah. And to read this word, we can say Chachenu Bihari Chi, Tattenu Kannata, Cheeta. Cheeta. You can repeat after me. Cheeta. Let's move to the next word. The next word is Papita. Papita. Papita means papaya. And to read this word, we can say Pappenu Mukta Pa, Pappenu Bihari Pi, Tattenu Kannata, Papita. Papita. You can repeat after me. Papita.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning Punjabi. Sat Shri Akal.